Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I want to show you how you will be able to authorize camera access in Instagram app on any Android. Subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to put likes and be sure to write your comments after watching this video. So, let's get to our topic. First, we will need to open the phone settings on your Android. The easiest method on absolutely any Android phone. It is to swipe on the right side from top to bottom. Here you need to find the gear, click on it. Then you swipe down a little bit. And you find either the App Manager, the App Logs, or just Apps, depending on what you call this section. So you come to Apps. Then you need to find Instagram. To do that, you can either just scroll through or you can click in the search box and type in the word Instagram. And when you see it, you just click on it. Then you click on Resolution. Then you select Camera. And here you have to choose how you want to give access to the camera in the Instagram app. And there are 3 options here. The first one is to not give access to the camera at all. Then give access to the camera, but every time you have to ask if you're giving access. In fact, this is not a very convenient option because every time you want to make a story, let's say, or some photo to send in correspondence, you will need to give permission for this by going to the settings. If you're an active Instagram user, then I recommend you choose the very first option. It is to give permission to the camera always when you use this application. And that's basically it. After you activate this first option, you can safely exit the settings, and then go to Instagram to take photos and videos. Friends, this is the simple way you will be able to allow access to Instagram camera on your Android. I really hope this video has helped you, friends. Please put your likes, subscribe to our channel. See you later.